Okay, so this is an 11 plus question from Caterham School. And the question says Nancy is a motorcycle stunt driver. She likes jumping over cars and vans on her motorbike. The cars and vans are arranged side by side, like in the picture, in this picture here, side by side. On her first jump, she jumps over five cars. She jumps over five cars and two vans, 14 meters. On her second jump, she jumps over five cars and four vans, 19 meters. All right. It's good to write down the parameters as you're getting them. What you're using to work, you lay them out. These are like your tools. This is your toolkit. These are your tools you would use to get the result. So just write them out because you would use them to get your results. Just like when you want to cook a food, right? You want to cook a food, you're going to bring out the ingredients first. Once you have prepared all the ingredients, you can start cooking. Now, we're told to find the total width of a van and of a car. There is something we're going to notice in this picture, in what we've listed out. We're going to notice that five cars and two vans occupy 14 meters. Five cars and four vans. Five cars plus four vans. This is effectively the same thing as saying five cars plus two vans plus two more vans, right? Yes, they're the same thing. And five cars plus two vans is 14 meters. Okay? All right. So what we have is 14 meters plus two vans equals 5 cars plus 4 vans equals 19 meters. That basically means 14 meters because 5 cars plus 2 vans is 14 meters. 14 meters plus 2 more vans covers the same distance as 19 meters. Okay? All right. Now, if we are familiar with this, we know that if 5 plus 1 is 6, then 5 is going to be 6 minus 1. Okay? This plus 1 is going to cross here and become minus 1. Okay? So let's do the same thing here. 2 vans plus 14 meters equals 19 meters. All right? Now remember, when this plus crosses equals, it becomes minus. So we do the same thing. 2 vans equals 19 meters. This plus is crossing, it's going to become minus. Minus. The number stays the same. Plus becomes minus. This 1 remains 1. This plus becomes minus. This 14 remains 14. So 19 meters minus 14 meters. 1 van and 1 van is 2 vans. So this is 1 van 2 times. 1 van 2 times. So 1 van 2 times is 19 meters minus 14 meters is 5 meters. So 1 van 2 times is 5 meters. Now, once again, we're going to take this to cross this equal to. We want to get what 1 van is. How wide 1 van is. Now, 1 van is, this is times 2. Remember, when a sign crosses equality sign, it becomes the opposite. The opposite of plus is minus. So when plus crosses equal to, it becomes minus. The opposite of times is division. So when times crosses equality sign, it becomes division. So 1 van equals to 5 meters divided by 2. 5 meters divided by 2 means how many 2's can you count in 5? So 1 van equals, how many 2's can you count in 5? There are 2 2's in 5 with a remainder of 1. The denominator is still 2. So 1 van is 2.5 meters. Okay? 2.5 meters is also the same thing as saying 2.5 meters. So now we found the distance covered by one van. Now remember, two vans is one van two times, or one van times two. When times two crosses equal to, it becomes the opposite. Anything that crosses equal to becomes the opposite. Times two becomes divided by two. And so we get 2.5 meters as the distance covered by one van, or 5 meters as the distance covered by two vans. Now coming back up here, the distance covered by 5 cars and 2 vans is 14 meters. And we know that 2 vans cover a distance of 5 meters. So we're going to erase these 2 vans and we're going to write 5 meters. All right? Okay. Now the distance covered by 5 cars and 5 meters is 14 meters. Now we do something. We want to find the distance covered by 5 cars. This is equal to 14 meters. Now this plus 5 meters, I'm going to take it away from here to here. Once again, plus is crossing the equal to, it becomes minus. So this becomes 5 cars is 14 meters minus 5 meters. All right? 14 meters minus 5 meters. Now this is a distance of 9 meters. 5 cars cover a distance of 9 meters. Because 14 minus 5 is 9. Now 5 cars mean one car, how many times? 5 cars mean one car 5 times. So one car 5 times cover a distance of 9 meters. I hope we understand this so far. One car 5 times cover a distance of 9 meters. I want to find the distance covered by one car. So I'm going to take 5 over here. And because 5 is crossing this equal to, it has to change to, this time has to change to division. Okay? So one car is 9 meters divided by 5. And this means how many 5s can you count in 9? You can only count 1 5 in 9 with a remainder of 4. 1 and 4/5 meters, or 1.8 meters. So we've gotten our answer.